Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 22. This is Section 1.6, Problem 22. It says multiply in your head, if you can, 600 times 300. So the trick is, because so many of the digits are zeros, at first just ignore the zeros and focus only on the non-zero digits. So if I focus only on the non-zero digits, it's just 6 times 3. I can do that easily enough. That's 18. 6 times 3 is 18. So now you take that 18 and put the zeros back. How many zeros did I ignore? I ignored 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So I take the 18 and I put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. So now that number, if I put in a comma, makes it a little bit easier to read. If I start from the right and move in 3 spots, I'd put a comma. The answer is 180,000.